Welcome back to our channel Ride with me. I'm Vikas. So today we are going to pick up another day-to-day topic. I talked to many of my friends after a month on video chat on Zoom or Skype, and it was hard to recognize them because they had this long beard with the mustache, with the long hair, and everybody had the same problem. There is a new requirement came up because this is going to be a long term when everybody will have to adjust. Everybody will be needing something new to their personal grooming tools, and this one is something which I ordered. I will give more details about it, and today's episode is all about unboxing and trying with the first hand with this. Stay tuned. If you remember our last video where Rose had given me a haircut using my shaver, it was pretty tricky because it has very less charge time. It was running out of the battery in 15 minutes, and it was pulling my hair also sometime, even I didn't show my expression. So after our earlier struggle, I started looking on Shopee and Lazada. Those are the two very common e-commerce places we have here in Malaysia. I landed with one of the option in Lazada. So I ordered on 9th of May. The seller was from selling the product from China. So I was expecting that it will take at least 2 to 3 weeks for the product to arrive to me. And on 23rd of May, this thing delivered to me in the morning by Laz Express. That's a Lazada's own courier service. So from the packing, it looked very proper, professional, high-end. You can see they have all these languages where they have these instructions and the description of the product they have there. So it's pretty international, pretty high-end looking packaging. On top of it, they have certain features also showing here, like what is the battery life and those stuffs. We get to know more about this when we open. There are another set of instructions. So without waiting further, let's open this one. This is Kemei brand. It has very wide variety, wide range of the products related to the personal grooming, hair cutting, or some appliances. I specifically chose the KM1995 because it's a dual mod. So you can either connect to the power plug and use it, or if you discharge, you can use wireless as well. It comes with the 4 different brush, which we'll get to know later. I ordered this in 69.99 ringgit price after discount. Paid around 5.20 ringgit for the shipping. So all in all, around 65 bucks, 75 bucks. I got this product delivered to me in hand. So it comes with a nice packaging. Looks very heavy duty. Feels very heavy, handy in the hand. The blades are properly covered. Safety, there are lock. It comes with the power button and some safety precautions written sticker here, and there is a power plug here. So this is the main clipper, the charger. It's a set of 4 different level of combs which will be fitted into the main clipper. It comes with the oil. Because it's a electric taper which keeps on running, we need to use oil to keep the operation. And this is the cleaning brush. Different level of combs. First one is the 3mm and then next one you have a 6 mm, 9 mm and 12 mm. So you can have variety of the length as per your choice. So the main clipper has this protector. Once you remove the protector, you can see this twin blade, and this is the control lock. So you can see you can control this length also. So it's finer, it's maybe 1 mm to 3 mm, and you can adjust using this lock. So all the logic, all the control is here. After every use we need to clean this one, and we need to use this oil in the middle to make the operation smooth, so all the blades are smoothly operated and cut your hair conveniently. Charging time for this one, the wireless operation, is 3 hours, and you will get 2 hours of run time with this one. So usually I think 20-25 minutes are enough for any decent haircut. This should be sufficient, so you can have at least 3 to 4 haircuts using this one. It comes with the instruction manual, very detailed, and in English also. So it talks about how to do the maintenance and the cleanup of this tool, and some other tricks how to adjust the comb with this clipper. This is made in China. But overall the quality of the product looks decent. The combs look stronger material, and yeah, excited to try out with my first haircut. But I think it needs charging because it's totally dead when I'm trying. So I'll try to charge it and show you guys later on how it operates, and give my feedback to you as well as to Lazada also, to get some brownie points. So now I just plugged in the charger. I want to see if it's really charging and it's really working. I can't wait. It's a dual mod, so once it's a bit charged, you can already use it while it's plugged into the power outlet. For now you have a display also, so it usually show how much is the run time left with the battery. Here it's red, so we still need charging the first time in the full charge for 3 hours. Before that I think it will not work. I'm trying, but it doesn't work. So I'll wait for a few minutes to charge, and then I'll use this one. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also don't forget to click on the tiny little bell button so you get to notify all the latest videos which are coming up at our channel. So that's all for today. Until next time, take care guys. Godspeed. Haircut made easy. Kemei will do for you. Kemei will do for you. Kemei will do for you. The experience was pretty okay, I will say. It fits very well in the hand, and I didn't feel any uncomfort. I used it for almost 7 to 8 minutes runtime and still show 100% charge. Got 2 mods. One, when you switch on, it's like the first run mod, it's like on, and then they have a turbo mode. So turbo mode is like the blades are moving way faster than usual, and usually if you have maybe more dense hair or something, you can use that mode to cut it, and it's really comfortable using this one. So I will say all in all, I will say worth the money what I paid for. I will rate maybe around 7.5 out of 10.